In this video, guys, I will show you how to log in UniCredit online banking Italia. So guys, go to Google, search for UniCredit Italia banking, click the first result. When you click on the first result, guys, you see this page here, as you can see here, guys. And then all you have to do, guys, click access to this customer. And then when you click access to this customer, you see enter your membership codes. For example, this is your codes, and then enter your PIN codes. And then guys, click access the reserved area. So guys, if you forget the code, just click this option, retrieve membership codes, and then write your task code and email to get your codes. This is how you can do. This is on the device, and if you want to do mobile, just go to mobile app, download the app on Google Play or App Store. When you download the app, you can log in easily with your all credits here. So guys, this is how you can do. Just log in here, click access this area, and complete this set to code area and PIN. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon.